Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make cutout stickers from photos for stories. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram, simply scroll to the left hand side and go to your stories. So once you have done this, all you gotta do is simply take a picture or like video as a background and tap on the sticker like option right beside text. Simply tap on it and tap on the cutout section. Once you tap on cutouts, all you gotta do is simply scroll down and select a photo to cut out. So once you have selected a photo to cut out, it will simply give you a manual cutout. Now tap on use as sticker, and this particular photo will be used as a sticker from your photos for stories. So this is how you can simply make cutout stickers from photos for your stories. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.